Assalamu alaikum, Dr. Alif. Today I'll be explaining the pseudocode part to me and Omar's assignment 1. So the code starts off with a defined function called calculate BMR, which calls for the gender, weight, height, and age. And it initiates with a if statement. Now, if the gender is male, we use the Harris-Benedict formula for men to calculate the BMR. Formula being 88.362 plus 13.398 times the weight plus 4.799 times weight minus 5.677 times age. Now, if the gender is female, the program will use different values given here. I won't read them out, I won't waste time. After calculating the BMR values, the function returns the result back to the main program. Then the program defines another function called count calories, which uses BMR and the activity choice chosen by the user. Now the options being now it uses if-else statements to determine the correct activity multiplier. Now sedentary being 1.2, light exercise using 1.375, moderate using 1.55, heavy exercise using 1.725, and athletes using 1.9. The function, the BMR is multiplied and then the select activity factor to estimate the total calories needed per day, which is the return value. After defining both functions, the program enters the main section. Here, the program declares all the variables that we need, such as age, gender, height, weight, activity choice, BMR, and calories, since we'll be using these variables in the functions we stated below or before. Now, the code uses repeat until loop for the age that has to be between 15 and 80, until the age is between 15, greater than 15, or greater than or equal to 15, or less than or equal to 80. Next, the program displays the list of activities. Yeah, it's excuse me, sorry. All right, then we will be inputting the gender. It'll be calling to ask for the gender. Excuse me, sorry about that. It'll be calling for the gender, whether it's male or female, input, and then until gender is male or female. There, it uses this repeat statement for each part of the code until it receives the gender, height, and weight, and then it'll give the user an option to select the activity level as we named before: sedentary, light exercise, moderate exercise, heavy exercise, and athlete. And we'll use a repeat statement until a chosen activity, a valid activity is chosen from the 5 given. It calculates the BMR, which calls for the function calculate BMR, gender, weight, height, and age. And it calculates the calories, which we also call for the second function, calculate calories, BMR, activity choice. And then it displays the final values. Display your BMR is the BMR. Display your daily calories needed is the calories. And then it ends the code. Thank you so much.